Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use audiobooks. Getting started is super easy. First, pick a popular platform like Audible or Libby, then download their app onto your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, simply create your account and begin exploring the incredible world of audio stories. Many platforms offer free trials or a selection of complimentary titles to kick off your listening journey right away. It's a fantastic way to dive into new narratives. Finding your next great listen is a breeze. You can easily browse through different genres, search for your favorite authors, or even discover new narrators. Many apps offer helpful filters to refine your choices, perhaps by book length or listener ratings. Once you've found a title, simply download it to your device, allowing you to enjoy your audiobook anywhere, even without an internet connection. It's all about making your listening experience seamless. To truly personalize your audiobook experience, take advantage of the built-in features. You can adjust the playback speed from as slow as 1/2 to as fast as 3 times the normal rate to match your comprehension and time. If you listen before bed, set a sleep timer for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, or even until the end of a chapter. Plus, easily add bookmarks to revisit your favorite moments or important sections. Managing your audiobook library is straightforward. You can organize your downloaded titles into custom collections, making it simple to find what you want. Once you've finished a book, consider deleting it from your device to free up valuable storage space. The best part is enjoying hands-free entertainment, whether you're commuting to work, getting in a workout, or simply relaxing at home. Audiobooks truly fit into every part of your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.